And if you run a recruiting business and you're looking to save some time, then you'll probably like this video, because by the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips, 3 of them that will help you save time in your recruiting efforts. Now, before we get into that, for the best online marketing and lead generation advice, specifically for the recruiting industry, executive search, staffing, you name it, subscribe to this channel. We're talking all things marketing, lead generation, automation, you name it, anything we can help you to become a more efficient recruiter and make your recruiting team more efficient. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that bell in the corner. It's in one of these corners here, and you'll be notified when I roll out new videos every single Monday and Thursday. Now, what I'm about to share with you is proven. These are the things that have helped my clients Mark Wilson, Katie Kelly, and Tom Caravella save time in their recruiting efforts. All right, ready? Here we go. All right, so tip number one. Tip number one is focus on your brand positioning and get you to stand out. How does that save you time, you asked? I'm glad you asked. Here's how. How that saves you time is when you are positioned in the marketplace and you're positioned more as an authority, or you have a consultative type of positioning, rather than just being another commodity recruiter. What you get is you get more respect from your hiring decision maker. And when you get more respect from your hiring decision makers, chances are you can get more retained and exclusive opportunities, and that'll save you a lot of time. You'll save your time working on roles you will never fill, and you will get feedback from your clients because, again, they respect you. So it is critically important in today's world that you know how to stand out from your competition so that you can differentiate yourself from just being another commodity recruiter. And rather than being a commodity, but being an authority, so that you get the respect, so you can get those exclusives, and so you can stop wasting time on roles you'll never fill. Number 2, make sure that you're leveraging automation. Automation will save you a ton of time in your business development efforts, and also save you a ton of time in just your recruiting efforts. Things that can be automated are things like your email campaigns. You can run automated drip email campaigns. Nowadays, you can run drip text messaging campaigns using tools like Loxo. And you can also automate your LinkedIn. And in some cases, you can actually automate some of your phone calls. But you want to leverage automation in a way that is allowing for more human time. You don't want to take the human element out. That's when automation goes bad. So really focus on creating an automated system that is going to create more time for the human interaction so that you can win. And the automation saves you time because it takes away some of those labor-intensive tasks that you really don't like doing and don't always drive a ton of revenue, but we know we need to do them. We might as well automate those tasks rather than doing those tasks manually, and it'll save you the time so you can focus on more revenue driving activities. The last one, number 3, is create content. Yes, I know, create content, throw something onto my schedule. That sounds like I'm going to save a lot of time, but here's how it saves time. Guess what? While you're watching this video, I'm not doing anything. I'm out probably hanging out with my kids or working on with my clients in my business, or I might be on a call right now with somebody that's watched another video like this. Content is always working for you 24/7, 365. It's one of the most leveraged things you can do for your business, yet so many people fight it. Create content because you have people watching you, building a relationship with you while you're doing other parts of your business. So there's your 3 tips that can help you save time in your recruiting efforts. Go ahead and drop it in the comments below if I missed anything. Let me know what you're doing to save time in your recruiting business. And again, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that bell in the corner. This is Donnie Gupton. We'll talk to you soon.